Here is the 2025 Cherokee MiniLoft. This is the 20OG. And we're here in Indiana at the factories. Been raining for 3 days. But you have this nice back porch. Got speakers out here on the back porch as well. Come into the RV. You're going to see you have sofa, little eating areas, and come with a very large, I think that's a 50-inch TV. Now that's the step to an upper loft if you have a guest. Have a king-size bed up there and a little mini fireplace. Kitchen is complete with farm-style sink, oven, microwave with, I think that has convection too. Big, huge fridge. Here's what's nice. You're going to have a combination washer dryer, a dishwasher in the pantry. Let's step down here to the bathroom, which is very large. Double shower, toilet with foot flush, private bedroom up front with a king-size bed. All the new 2025 colors. I do like that headboard with the featured big, huge window. Imagine waking up beside the lake. We have already sold a couple of these in the very short amount of time we've had them. You have another, you could use that for storage, or you could sleep somebody up there as well. Massive windows. And you can even make this, we'll flip out to a jackknife sofa bed. We have these in stock today. Come check it out.